So nice to see you again. Hey guys, you're doing great. Keep going with your exercises. It's so important to keep moving with your muscles. They need to be trained. They need to be warmed up before you sing. They need you to take care of them. So don't push your voice. Do the things that you can do. Wait and don't stretch and push the voice too much. A little bit, yeah. Check how the muscles are. You never know. Some days you wake up and you think, I don't know what'll happen. And you warm the muscles up and all of a sudden you're singing great. Yeah. Okay, so our exercise is on the word sway. Now, I'm doing it in chest and mix. So let's see what you want to do. You can do it in head. It's the word sway. 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 Okay? And we're going to have a bar rest. One more time for Mama. One more time. Okay, so we're going to have a bar rest in between. I'm starting up in the mix area. Sway. Wait. Rest. Sway. And notice I'm not doing the notes down there. Okay? So, you keep going. Remember how it is. Sway. Ready? Right up here. I'm going to do the mix. Remember. Sway. Rest a bar. Relax. Sway. Chest up. Sway. Big breaths in between. Sway. Now I'm going to do it without vibrato. Sway. Now with vibrato. Sway. Sway. Now we're going to go nice and high. I'm going to bring you up to nice and high notes. Okay, for those of you who go up there, with vibrato and without. Notice the difference? It's a decision. warm up. Always work your muscles. Remember, it's so important that you take care of your muscles, you strengthen them, you use every area of your voice so that your voice is ready for whatever you need to do, okay? I'm going to meet you here next time. It's many, many days a week, yes, so it is. Oh, you gotta subscribe and ring the bell. Such a day, such a motherfucking day. Yeah. Bye-bye.